we'll basically be talking about the Ghost Trails feature for Snapchat Plus. It is a new feature and exclusive only to Snapchat Plus users. So first things first, on your profile icon, you need to tap on the Snapchat Plus and you need to ensure that you are a member of Snapchat Plus. So you tap on that icon there, then you need to enable Ghost Trails. And then in order to basically see what this is, let's go to learn more and let's tap on Ghost Trails on the map. So basically, as a Snapchat Plus subscriber, you can see where your friends have been in the last 24 hours with Ghost Trails. You'll only see Ghost Trails for friends on the map if they're making their location visible to you and they have access to Snapchat Plus in their country. So basically, this is only for Snapchat Plus users if you want your friend to keep track of where you are. Let's say you're going in a dangerous location, you'd enable this and allow your friend to basically keep track of where you are. Now you can clear your own ghost trail by toggling ghost mode on or off, now which I just show you how to enable ghost trail. And you'll only see ghost trails for friends who are sharing their map location with you, are in a country where Snapchat Plus is available, have the latest version or have version 11.85 or newer. So as you can see here, this basically mapped out the location for Jamie, the location she traveled in the past 24 hours. So that is basically Ghost Trails in a nutshell and how to use it. So I hope this video was informative and got you to understand how to use the Ghost Trails and what it is on the Snapchat Plus subscription. So thank you for watching. Hacker 007 out.